Hello and welcome to World of NICHES 1. My name is Lady Juliet. Today, November 27, 2021, World of NICHES Show 1 marks 1 year anniversary here on YouTube. The channel was actually created on September 7th, 2020. However, the very first video upload was on November 27th, 2020. The channel came alive. To make this day truly special, I am going to be giving you a virtual tour of the World of NICHES studio. But before I get on with the tour, I would like to give a special shout out to some awesome subscribers who consistently comment on videos I upload here on the channel. The subscribers are Juliet Osakwe, Make Oneself at Home, and Stephen and Johanna from the History and Adventures Hunters channel here on YouTube. Thank you so much, guys, for your consistency in always leaving comments on my video. A few other subscribers that quickly come to mind are Neki Sahil and William Olo. Thank you very much, guys, for commenting on my videos. I'd like to also thank all the subscribers who have commented on my videos in the past. There are just too many to mention right now, and because of time, I'm not able to mention all your names. I would like to thank all of you subscribers who are here on my channel for subscribing to the channel. You make the channel. Thank you all so much for subscribing. Now, let's go on the tour. This is the door into the studio. The walls of the studio are painted in bright yellow. The color name is Banana Split. It's an awesome, vibrant color in real time. However, it did not meet my desired expectations on camera. I wanted something that grabs attention. I wanted a color or a backdrop that can pop on camera. So I painted this large MDF board in glossy black. There is another smaller piece, smaller MDF board, a smaller piece which I installed into the corner to create a sense of continuity. This covers the space in the corner, as you can see in the video. This MDF board sits on an old piece of headboard. The cushioned headboard helps give the MDF board stability as it leans against the wall. The MDF board together with the headboard all rest on two pieces of black plastic shelving unit as base. These three heart-shaped craftwork on this wooden board is a simple decoration on the board to make it less boring. Just something simple to make the backdrop interesting without distracting the attention of you, my awesome viewers. These are artificial flowers to decorate the studio. Add some color to make the MDF backdrop pop. Viewers, I am fascinated by colors. All colors. I love colors in all I do. Not shiny objects, just colors. I really can't explain why. So hey, if you have answers, please share in the comment section below. This light fixture was a craft made by me. It was made from Kleenex tissue, glue, and water. This moon-shaped light is used as a backlight, also to create depth of field. If you would like to know more about how I created this moon-shaped backlight, please let me know in the comment section below. I might make a video showing you how I made it. So, go on. Leave your comments or requests in the comment section below. Next is the cupboard. This cupboard is where I store smaller items of World of Niches 1 property. Items like cameras, microphones, bits and bobs really. The small flower vase with orange artificial flowers is again a little something colorful to decorate and help make the backdrop pop. The statue behind the small vase was a gift to me. It's the statue of an angel carrying a baby. I've owned it for years and I love having it around. It's the only item in the studio that is not World of Niches 1 property. Viewers, note, I said it is not a World of Niches 1 property. This means I keep all World of Niches 1 businesses separate from my personal affairs. There are two separate entities here. There's World of Niches 1, that's one separate entity. Then there is Lady Juliet as a totally independent individual from World of Niches 1. I treat World of Niches 1 along with all its physical and digital assets or property as separate entities from moi. Please watch the following videos for more comprehensive explanation. How to manage your business from home video and organization in business video. The ivy tree. This is an artificial ivy tree I have owned for years and now donated to World of NICHES Studio One. Again, it's simply to decorate the studio. These artificial red rose flowers is here to decorate the studio. Moving on from the ivy tree and the red roses artificial flowers, this is a small under-the-counter refrigerator at the far end corner of the studio. It was installed here in the studio due to lack of storage space. So you won't see this in any of the video I upload. Next up is my two soft boxes, which I use during recordings, one to the left, one to my right. Set in between the two soft boxes is my camera stand. I love this camera stand. It is sleek and has a super cool color, a turquoise blue color. Love it. Behind the soft box is a mattress. I bet you are wondering what the mattress is used for. Well, wonder no more. The mattress is used as a soundproof to reduce the echo in the studio. The studio is not yet soundproofed. I'm hoping to pad the walls of the studio sometime in the future. So, do you know about padding a wall to create the right ambience for video recordings? Please feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. Thank you. Now, one more item to reveal. You ready? Wait for it. Drum roll, please. My studio chair is actually not a chair, but a stool. I sit on the stool, looking straight into the camera mounted on a camera stand, soft boxes set in my direction. I address you, my awesome viewers, while recording. For comfort, I place this old soft cushion on the stool. It can get pretty uncomfortable having to sit on the bare stool for extended periods of time. The Apple MacBook Pro laptop, hidden away from camera view, serves as my teleprompter. All my studio recordings take place very late at night and into early mornings. I'm talking 2 to 3 o'clock in the morning. I find this timing particularly very good as it is very, very quiet. Daytime can be very noisy. Barking dogs, sirens, noisy neighbors, to mention just a few intrusive sounds that can alter the audio quality of videos. So recording at odd hours of the night is a sacrifice I make in order to produce my noise-free video. Viewers, it's been an exciting 1 year as host of World of NICHES show. 1 year of learning new skills and new things every day. I have learned an awful lot about what goes into video production, and the learning, I can tell you, never stops. Another beautiful experience I've had this past 1 year as host of World of NICHES show are the awesome people I've had the pleasure of meeting and working with. The small business owners I have featured here on the channel. The first business owner to grace the show was Mr. Raymond Gordon, the florist. The second business owner was me as an ex-hostel business owner. The third was Gayatri, owner of Kekechino Cakes. The fourth was Mr. Steve Feld, a certified business coach. The fifth business owner was Mr. Ewan McIntosh, the dog trainer. The sixth business owner was Rita Lochkai, the dog walking and dog grooming business owner. And lastly was Miss Manuela Conan, the event and decoration business. More business owners will be coming on the show in the new year, so stay tuned. My special thanks goes to all the small business owners I have featured here on the channel who have taken time out from their very busy schedules to grant me interviews and of course do the video recording, and for believing in my vision and mission of World of Niches 1. Thank you all so much. It's truly appreciated. When the channel hits another milestone, I hope to make another video to show you how I actually create and produce and upload the videos on the channel. So let's keep fingers crossed and hope that the milestone comes soon. Another milestone comes sooner. So friends, that's about it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the virtual tour of World of Niches Studios. A zillion thanks to all my subscribers for finding the message of this channel worthy of your time. You make the channel. Without subscribers, there will be no channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Best wishes.